Welcome to TBK Career Point. So here is an opportunity from the Oracle company. Student internship locations Bangalore, Hyderabad ఉన్నాయి. So job category all roles. So different roles ఉన్నాయి, but internship will be provided. Experience వచ్చేసి 0 to 2 years ఉంటే freshers can apply for it. Okay. And the job description, this job code is utilized for the majority of our temporary hires. The individual is performing hourly job duties as defined under Fair Labor Standards Act. So Oracle company సంబంధించి డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఇచ్చారు. Oracle offers a highly competitive suite of employee benefits designed on the principle of parity. మొత్తం డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని ఇచ్చారు, ఒకసారి ప్లీజ్ గో త్రూ దెమ్. And then if you want to apply, you can apply for it here. And if you want to request the referral, you can click here. LinkedIn లో మీరు రెఫర్ కూడా అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. Link is provided in the description box and share to your friends also.